Okay. Can you hear me clearly? Con nghe cô rõ không nào?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you say, you eat, what do you eat for your dinner? Now, answer me again, please.
I eat rice.
I eat rice. Eat rice. Now, I eat rice
I eat rice and soup.
and soup. What else? And
Vegetables.
oh yes, so you have rice, vegetable, and soup. For that's all. That's all. Chừng đó thôi hả con?
Vài rau củ.
À, còn gói gì nữa? Any meat or fish?
Có rice, vegetable, soup,
And?
rau củ là cái gì?
À, con có cái từ rau củ hả? Từ vegetable nó là cả rau cả củ luôn á. Ví dụ như con có potato nè. Potato, carrot. Now, it's vegetable too. Okay? Do you understand?
Fish.
And fish. Okay, so you eat rice, vegetable, fish, and soup. Now, here, look at in your chessboard. Con nhìn ở trong cái ô chat á, con sẽ thấy nè. Cái chữ, con sẽ có nguyên cái đoạn này. Và ngay chỗ cái chữ cuối cùng á, con hãy đặt chữ and ha. Ví dụ như con ăn có 10 món, con cũng sẽ nói là I eat rice, vegetable, fish, meat, a lot of things. But you say and soup at the end. Con sẽ nói cái chữ and soup á, còn cái chữ cuối cùng thôi. Okay? Now, repeat. What do you eat for your dinner? I eat rice,
Rice, soup, and vegetable.
for my dinner. Con sẽ thêm cái cụm for my dinner.
For my dinner.
Okay? For my dinner. Okay, do you understand it? Now, we continue with our lesson for today. Hôm nay mình học bài tiếp theo nha. I share with you.
Yeah.
Here, this one. Now, I share with you, it's about farm animals. I think it's easy for you. Now, can you tell me some animal on the farm?
Yeah.
No, tell me some.
Is cow
Cow, yes.
and duck.
Duck, yes, that's right. Cow, duck, too. How many? How many can you remember?
Dog.
What? Duck? Duck already? Dog, dog. Okay, dog. What else?
Is chicken.
Chicken, good. Chicken. Chicken and some
Cat.
cat. Yes, that's right. And how about some say oink oink? What animal is it?
Big.
Yes, it's big. And how about say neigh neigh? What animal is it?
Sheep.
Sheep. Okay. Oh no, I don't think so. Neigh neigh. It means it's the sound of horse. 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 And about sheep, sheep say ba ba is about sheep. And how about mouse? How about mouse? Does mouse live on the farm? Mouse? Okay. And how about goat? Do you know goat? Goat. Yes, it's live on a farm. Okay, now our lesson for today is about animal on the farm. I say with you, our lesson for today here. Look at this one. Okay, now farm animals. Now you have the song here. Now see this song. I think you know this. Old MacDonald had a farm. Okay.
Old MacDonald
Had a farm.
E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm
he has a cow.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say?
The
Meow.
cow say meow. No.
Oink.
Oink.
Moo.
No. Moo. Say
With a moo moo
moo.
here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, now
On
next.
that farm he had a horse.
A horse.
E-I-E-I-O. What
A
does
horse.
a horse say?
The horse say
Woof woof.
whoop whoop. No.
Moo.
Moo.
Neigh.
No. Nay.
With a
Yes.
neigh here and,
And
a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay.
Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig.
Pig.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say?
The
Quack.
pig say
No.
Tweet tweet.
tweet tweet.
No.
Oink.
Oink.
With an oink
Yes,
oink here and an
that's
oink oink
right.
there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm
he has a sheep. Sheep.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say?
What do the sheep say?
Cluck,
Cluck cluck. No.
oink,
Oink.
ba.
Ba. Okay.
With a ba ba
Ba
here
here
and a
and
ba ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba ba. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a duck.
Duck.
E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow.
Meow.
Moo.
Moo.
Quack quack.
Quack quack.
With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he has a rooster. E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say?
What does the
Rabbit?
rooster say? Rabbit?
Meow.
Meow.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay. This is some animal on the farm. Now, through the song, what animal can you see in this song? What animal can you see, Khánh? I can see
I can see a cow. I can see a cow. I can see a cow.
a cow. One cow.
Dog.
A duck. Okay. A duck. No, I don't think so. I just asked you in this song. Con thấy ở trong cái bài hát này có con vịt không ta? No. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. At the beginning, you see there. I remember I gonna see. I didn't see there. No, there's no duck in this song. Just
quack, quack.
quack quack. Okay, I remember. Now you have a cow, duck.
A duck.
What
I
else?
can see a house.
A horse, not house. Horse. Okay. And how about next? Next is
I can see
a what?
a pig.
A pig. That's right. And another?
I
Can see a what? Or some say ba.
can see a sheep.
Yes, that's right. A sheep. And how about this one? This animal. This animal is it's a horse too. And how about say cock-a-doodle-doo? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What animal is it? Is it? Do you know this? Rooster. Rooster. Do you know this animal? Con biết cái con này không? Do you know this animal?
Yeah.
Yes. And that's all. Hết chưa nào? That's all. That's all. Okay. And move to the next part. Now it's easy. Just some animal you know. Okay. What animal is it, Can?
Dog.
It's dog.
It's a dog. Okay. And now let me know what color of the dog.
The dog is
The dog is
yellow and gray.
It's yellow and gray. Okay. And now, where can you see a dog? Can? Where can you see a dog?
The dog is fat and house.
You say is in a house, is live in a house. Now so you say I see a dog, I can see a dog, or I can see dogs at home. Con có thể con nói nó at home. Okay, I can see dogs at home. Okay, maybe at the school. Maybe at some school we can see a dog. Or on the street we can see a dog. Okay? In the park. Now next, what animal is it?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, do you like cat? Do you like cat, Can?
Yes, I do.
Okay, if you have a cat, what is the name you like? What is the name of the cat do you like? Nếu mà con có một con mèo, con thích đặt nó tên gì nào? What is the name of the dog of the cat you like?
Rosie.
Rosie? Oh, yes, it's nice name. Now next, cat. Look at this one. And now, let me know what animal is it?
Is cow.
It's a cow. Okay. And now let me see here. Oh, cow. And this one. And what animal is it, Can? What animal is it?
Is dog.
It's a duck. Okay. It's a
Duck.
duck. This one. Now, let me know. Back to the cow. How's the cow say? How's the cow say? What is... now, I ask you. How does the cow say? Con bò thì nó kêu sao? How does the cow say? How does the cow say? Say? It say? Moo. Moo. It say moo. Okay? Moo. say moo, moo. Okay. So your answer is you say the cow says moo. Okay. Now next. And this is the duck. Okay. And now how's the duck say? How does the duck say, Khánh?
The duck says quack, quack.
Oh, yes, it says quack, quack. Okay, now next. How about next? Look at this one. And how about this one?
Pig.
Pig. Pig. How does the pig say? The pig say?
A pig say, I.
Yes, that's right. Oink, oink. Okay. And what animal is it? What
Hen.
animal is it? It's a chicken.
Is a rooster.
Oh, no, I don't think so. It's a hen. Do you know a hen? Mommy chicken is called hen. Con gà mái mẹ thì mình sẽ gọi là hen ha. Con gà trống á, that chicken is rooster. Hen, okay? And how does a hen say? How does a hen say, Khánh? It says, say what? Oh, I can hear you. Maybe it's something wrong. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? No? There may be some trouble. I can't hear you. Oh, what's up? Please wait for a while. I check it. Okay. Now, okay. Now continue. Now I ask you, how does the hen say? Do you know the hen says?
The hen
Let's say, it's maybe a little bit difficult for you. It's like cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. Cluck, cluck. It's a mommy chicken says. Cluck, cluck. Okay. And this one. Now I have some structure for you here. What animal is it? Is a cái câu này thì dễ ha. Ví dụ ai hỏi con đây là con vật gì thì con chỉ is a pig, is a rooster, is a horse or is a cow ha. Con sẽ nối cái chữ này vào ha. Con sẽ có is nè, rồi chữ đúng không? Thì con sẽ nối vào is a pig. Now your turn. Your turn.
is a pig.
Yes, that's right. Okay, now next. Here, do you like dogs? Thì khi ví dụ như hỏi con á là con có thích con vịt không thì con có hai cách trả lời yes I do, and if you don't like it you say no I don't. Okay, do you understand it? Get it?
Yeah.
Okay, it's easy to understand. I think you know all of that. And the last one, what does the dog say? Ví dụ ai hỏi con á là con chó thì kêu sao, con sẽ trả lời là it says woof woof. Okay. Woof woof. Okay, that's all. That's all about our lesson for today. I asked you, how does the cat say? How does the cat say?
The cat say, meow, meow.
Yes, that's right. Okay. And how about the mouse? How does the mouse say?
Mouse.
Mouse.
Cheese.
It say squeak squeak. Maybe I show you this song later. And it's easy. Now, look at this picture and connect it. The first one, you have 5 pictures and 5 words. Now connect it. It's easy. Now for the first one, number 1 is sir.
Number 1 is the dog.
It's a dog for number 1. How about number 2? What animal is it? It's number 2. What animal is number 2, Khánh?
Number 2 is a cat.
It's a cat. Okay. And how about number 3? What animal is number 3?
It's a cow.
It's a cow. Okay. And how about number 4? What animal is it?
4.
Yes.
Number 4. Number 4 is a dog.
It's a dog. And the last one, number 5. What animal is it?
Number 5 is a pig.
It's a pig. Okay. Remember this word. You have big. Big. Remember the last sound is g. Big. Big, not big. Con sẽ có cái âm này nè. Con sẽ đọc là pig. 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 Chứ không phải là pig. Pig. Nó sẽ giống với cái từ big đó con. Big. 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 Con đừng có kết thúc ở ngay chỗ big. Big. Nó sẽ kỳ lắm. Con sẽ đọc là big. 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 Pig. Pig. Nó có âm g. Đúng rồi. Để mình biết được có âm g ở cuối nữa ha. Big. Okay, it's easy. Here, this is my answer. Number 3, number 1, number 5, number 2, and number 4. Okay, this is my answer. I have the same answer with you. Now, fill in the missing letter. Oh, it's easy. How about the first one? Look at and answer me.
Number 1 is A.
It's A, letter A, so you have cat. How about number 2?
Number 2 is letter O and letter W.
Yes, O and W. And how about number picture D picture 3. What is the missing letter?
Letter number 3 is letter O and letter
O and
J.
And T, not J. J. This is J. J, con sẽ có chữ J là chữ này là chữ J như vậy chứ. Còn chữ này là chữ Chi. Chi. Okay, letter G. And this one, what letter is it? What are the missing letters in this word?
Letter 4 is number 4 is letter U, letter C, and letter K.
K, yeah, so the missing letters are U, K, U, C, K. Okay, for this one, U, C, K. And how about number 5? Oh, number 5, Khánh.
Number 5 is number 5 is letter P.
Letter P and
letter Y.
yes, letter P and Y. Okay, and the last one, Khánh. The last one.
Number 6 is letter H and letter N.
Letter H and letter N. Yes, that's right. So you have cat, cow. Now, can you read this, all of this for me? Now, the first one, cat.
Cat
Number 2.
is cow.
Number 3.
Is dog.
Number 4. Now, you have dog. Dog. The same with pig. Dog.
Dog
Okay, that's right. Now, number 4.
is
Is a
dog.
duck. And next come pig. Now, pig. You have the code. Con nghe điện thoại đi. Con có điện thoại hả? Okay.
Number is big.
Okay, and the last one, you have hand.
Is hand.
Hand. Remember, hand. Hand.
Hand.
Okay,
Hand.
hand. Next.
Hand.
Now you have the game here. I give you the picture and you say what animal is it? What animal is it? Is there?
Is
there?
Is the cat.
Yes, it's a cat. Cat is easy. Now next. Oh, no, I don't think so. This one, what animal is it?
Is dog.
It's a duck. Okay, next. How about, oh, we can see here. This one? It's easy. It's a pig. Okay. And this one. Now, my pet is lost. I have this one. I say and you guess what animal is it? My pet is lost. Cái con thú cưng của tôi bị mất rồi. It's like bones and it's very friendly. Con có từ friendly là thân thiết. Con có từ friendly là thân thiết.
Yes.
What animal is it? What animal is it, Khánh?
Is
Is a yes it?
Is a
Bones.
cat.
Do you know bones? It means xương, cái cục xương á, con sẽ có là bones. What animal is it? It's like bones and it's very friendly. What animal is it?
Is a dog.
Yes, it's a dog. See it? Is it right? See
Dog.
it? Yes, that's right. It's a dog. Okay, now next. My bat is lost. It can see in the dark and it's like mice. Con có từ mice. Mice là con chuột đó. Mice là số nhiều của con chuột. Con có từ mouse là số ít. Và từ mice là số nhiều. Mice.
Mice.
What animal is it? Is it?
Is a mouse.
Oh, really? Is the mouse really? Now, is can see in the dark. Do you know dark? Con có từ.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. I think so. Now check it.
Cat.
Yes, it's a cat. Now next. Oh, that's all. Just two. I show you more. Now it's I lost my pet. My corner is white. It's often white and black. White and black, and it give you milk. What animal is it?
Is cow.
Yes, that's right. It's cow, and I have 2 feet. I have 2 feet. I have 2 wings, and I can swim. What animal is it? Is Is there? Now again. I have 2 feet. I have 2 feet. 2 feet. Con biết chữ feet không? Remember it?
No.
Feet. Con có chữ feet á. Một cái chân là foot mà hai cái chân là feet đó Khánh.
Oh.
Feet. Rồi. I have 2 feet. I have 2 wings. Con có từ wings là cái cánh. Wings. 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 And I can swim. Swim là gì Khánh? Là bơi đó. I can swim. What animal is it?
Con gì mà bạch trống?
I have 2 feet. Now remember, I have 2 feet.
I have 2 feet and width what the what animal?
I have 2 feet. I have 2 wings. And I can swim. And I say quack quack. I say quack quack. What animal is it? I give people eggs.
I can see.
Is there?
Is
there?
That.
It's a dog. That's right. Okay. Okay, that's all about our lesson for today. You have some new vocabulary here and I give it to you later. Có một số từ mới cô sẽ gửi cho con ha. Rồi. Con có câu hỏi gì không? Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
If you don't have questions, we stop here and see you next time. Okay? Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye Khánh. Cô tắt nha.